What's up, guys? We're here in sunny California, and I'm here with two of my really good friends. I actually shot their wedding, and hopefully I did good.
Yes.
Yeah? All right. So I passed that test. Elzy and Jorge, and they both brought their Super 73 bikes. We have the S1, and that one is...
The Z1.
The Z1. Okay, gotcha. And we're just gonna do a little bit comparison of the Mate X versus the Super 73. We're gonna talk a little bit about both of them, and then we'll show you some footage of us just riding down the pier. It's such a nice day today, and it's gonna be really, really cool. My fiance has a scooter because we don't have an extra bike, but it's electric too, so we're good. Yeah. So, Elzy, I wanna talk a little bit about your bike, and I made it easy. Got some questions for you, all right? So, and we're gonna do baller on a budget. This is my mic. So here we go. Okay, so what made you look into getting an electric bike in general, and how did you land on the Super 73?
Well, originally I actually didn't want an electric bike, but seeing my husband and his best friend riding, I was like, wow, they're pretty dope. I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot.
Right.
Yeah, so that's pretty much.
And that's the thing with us guys, we're always getting toys, and a partner never knows, like, what are you, a child? Until they see it and they go, okay, I want one. Yeah, that happens all the time, except video games. That hasn't worked yet. All right, cool. So let's do the second question is, what do you like and or love about your Super 73?
The smoothness is actually how fast it actually goes. It's pretty, for an electric bike, it actually surprised me. But it's, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, so that's what I was talking about my friend yesterday. It's so cool to have lived a life where electric bikes exist. Yeah. Like back in the day, we would just ride regular bikes. Yeah, we're pedaling and just being kids. But now we're old, we have bad knees and yeah, and bigger stomachs, and we don't want to pedal. So, you know, thank God for electric bikes. Was it everything you thought an electric bike would be, and has it surprised you in any other way?
Yes, it actually has surprised me. For an electric bike, I mean, the speed alone, it's like surprising on how fast it actually goes. And just the smoothness of the ride, it's pretty dope, the surprisingness that I get out of it.
So how about people surprising you or or stopping you to talk about the bike?
Head turners, that's for sure. Head turners all the time. They're like, what is that? I was like, is that a motorcycle? I'm like, no, it's a bike. It's electric. He's like, oh, that's pretty dope.
Right. It's probably the closest I've ever been to being a woman and being checked out. Because I'll just ride the bike and they're just like, whoa. I'm like, well, either they're looking at me or the bike. I'm pretty sure it's the bike.
But too bad it's never us.
Yeah, it's never us. No. What don't you like about it, and what do you wish it had?
I don't like how heavy this bike actually is. I wish it had shocks because it would make it a lot smoother.
The seats were...
Oh, the seat would be a little more comfortable as well if it was different.
Right. I did a little bit of research on these bikes, and a lot of people do complain about or don't like the seats and that it doesn't have shocks or gears. Yeah, so that's one thing that I have noticed that I'm grateful for my bike, because mine does come with gears, and it's a heavy bike. Yeah, it has a 6-speed Shimano gear, and so if the bike ever does run out, it's gonna be like a regular bike where, like, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be that heavy. But other people have said that when the battery dies on these, it's just a heavy bike to go anywhere.
Yes,
yeah. One thing that I was wondering was how they were gonna arrive, because I came here with my Nissan Altima and my bike was in the trunk, and then I was like, I wonder how they're gonna show up. And I was hoping actually that you guys brought like some sort of a bike rack that I can be like, oh yes, finally I can get one of those. It's a whole ordeal just to go and have fun, yes. Right? Yeah. All right, guys, so we just finished riding all the bikes. I have my thoughts on your bikes, but I want to hear your thoughts on my bike. So I'm gonna start with you, Elzy, first, because I know Jorge wants to tell me something, but not really. So I'm gonna let you think about it. All right? So here we go. Elzy, what did you think about the Mate X?
It's pretty cool. I like the shocks, definitely. That's something that I love about your bike. The gears, something different.
Gears.
Yeah, it's really cool. Definitely like your bike.
Let's talk about the seat. What did you think about the seat?
I think you need some work on that.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. I have cushion on my buns and it still hurts. So yeah, right? It sucks.
Definitely.
Yeah, all right, cool. So so far though, but you like the speed, the feel of it and everything?
Yes, it was a smooth ride. I feel like your bike actually kind of gears you into the right direction.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, cool. I didn't notice that. I don't know. I haven't ridden it as much as I want to, but yeah, that's cool. Thank you. All right, George, you ready? All right. These are your confessions, like Usher says. Okay. All right. So you let me know what you thought. So before we get to that though, let me know just in general what you thought about the bike.
All right, aesthetically, it's a beautiful bike. Looks like it's built well. I like the color. It looks like it goes off-road. Now, functionality, the torque, I like the torque, the speed, it picks up really well. For somebody 300 pounds, it handled me like nothing. I wish when we pedal, the range is kind of like short for me. I'm a little taller, so it's not the best, I don't know how to explain it. Like when you pedal, you got to get a full kick, right?
Now, before the internet trolls come though, we probably could have fixed that by adjusting the seat, right?
I mean, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, probably.
So before you guys say anything, we probably could have adjusted the seat and that would have given you a more range. I can already hear them, trust me. Yeah, okay,
Me
cool.
too, damn. Sorry, guys.
So let's get to the part where you've been holding, I don't know if you said it already, but what is it that you said, oh man, your bike?
Oh yeah, your bike is not that cool as mine. Just kidding, I think your bike's a little better. Sense of speed, functionality, like I said. Since we're gonna correct the leg adjustment, then I imagine that's the shocks. I do feel the shocks as we go over bumps. That's one thing we don't have on our bikes. It rides higher, so maybe a little more ergonomic for me,
right?
So I can sit up higher.
Right.
So yeah, I do like your bike probably a little bit better than the ones you got to pedal.
All right, cool. So I am gonna brag a little bit. We had a couple come by and they said that they would have taken this bike out of both of your guys' bike, but my assessment on your bike, very first thing, the seat. I, like me and Elzy were just talking about, I love their seat so much better, and it's funny because before we started riding, they said that their seat could use some work, right? Yeah. You guys thought that your seat wasn't that good. Even on YouTube, I saw some videos of the Super 73, some people were complaining about the seat. But after riding mine, you guys can see you guys have a way better seat.
Yeah, I don't complain no more.
Yeah, no. It's actually really comfortable. I was riding theirs and it was so much better. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to sound repetitive, but it's true. Your bike is, I mean, they're all electric, so that's the awesome part about it all, right? But the bike that you guys have, it doesn't have any shocks, it doesn't have any gears, so you can adjust it, and you can adjust the steering wheel as well. So, you know, it has some downfalls, but just like everything else, it's not going to be perfect. There's always going to be something better than the other one, you know what I mean? The seats are better, some of the range is better, the speed is better on some other bikes, but all in all, we can all just play along, and every single bike gets attention from everybody, right? Yeah, regardless of what a bike it is, there's people that are just staring at you, and yeah, it's a cool little experience. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching, thank you for all the likes, and to all the new subscribers, thank you and welcome. And I just want to say thank you, Elzy, thank you, George, for coming by.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, of course. There is going to be a Super 73 meetup that we're going to probably go and check it out. I'll try to film something there. But yeah, that's pretty cool that you guys have like a whole group, or the Super 73 community has come together. The people doing mate, we don't have a community, we just have a community of angry people right now, and I'm trying to do my best to make all of you guys happy, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. So thank you, and to the next one. Cool? Thank you. All right, awesome. All right.